Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you what are attributes in HTML. So let's start. The simple definition of HTML attribute is attributes provide additional information about elements. Suppose we have an anchor tag, and here if I type a dummy text here like open link, in the output you can see that we have a dummy text here open link. But by clicking on this link, which page will be open, that will define in HTML attribute. So we use href attribute for that purpose. And suppose if we want to open Google, by clicking on this link, then we simply need to type here like Google. This is the link of google.com. I will copy it from here and paste it here. Press save button, refresh the page, and now when I will click on this link, you can see that the Google has been opened. The one thing to keep in remember is attributes always should be written in the opening tag. Here you can see that this is our opening tag and we have write our this attribute in our opening tag. And second, attributes always written in name value pairs. Suppose here this is the name of our attribute, which is href, and this link is the value of our link. The next example of attribute is, we know that we use image tag to display images on our web page, and here this is src attribute. This attribute is used to provide the location of our image. Suppose in my case, my image exists in images folder and my image name is myimage.png. So I will type here images and myimage.png. So when I will type my image name here, in the output you can see that this is our image, which is too big now, and we can use another attributes to make it small. Suppose if I type here width 300, save and refresh this, you can see that the width of our image is 300. So width and height attributes are used to provide the width and height of the images that we are displaying. And lastly, here you can see that we have another attribute named alt. Suppose if you type an image name that did not exist at that position. So here we have a text in alt like image of coding. What this attribute will do, it will display a simple image icon and the text that we will write in our alt attribute. And one more example of attribute is that is important, like suppose if we have a p element and we have some dummy paragraph in it, we can use style attribute to give inline style to our HTML elements. This is our style attribute, and I will type here style equal to double quotation, and here I will type my CSS. Suppose currently you can see that the color of our paragraph is black, and if I want to turn it into red, I will just type here color red semicolon, refresh the page, and here you can see that the color of our paragraph is changed. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn about web development. And finally, thanks for watching.